In front of me is HONOR X7b, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off autocorrection. All you need to do is launch your keyboard and click on this icon at the top left corner if you can see a toolbar. When you're ready, click on those three dots at the top right corner and select Settings over here. Now select Typing and click on this switcher next to Autocorrect feature to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!